Good day. We want to invite you to this exciting webinar being presented by tax faculty, being presented by myself, Dr. Rihanna Steyn. And in this webinar, it's actually aimed at tax consultants who's got some basic Excel skills. And what we will be teaching you in this webinar will be how to do certain financial analysis, how to be able to do some financial reconciliations. We will provide you with data sets for a fully interactive, hands-on practical webinar so that you go through the formulas and the exercises with me to make sure that you understand everything. In the end, we will also help you to provide proper reporting and how can you use Excel and the data analysis to create graphs and pivot tables and certain more advanced formulas like VLookups to be able to do proper reporting for proper forecasting for your business and to make sure that your business and also the service you give to your clients are of a higher standard. Thank you very much.